Understanding Maritime Regulations, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important and fascinating topic that impacts how we navigate and protect our vast oceans: maritime regulations. These are the rules that govern the behavior of ships, boats, and all forms of activities at sea. Whether you're just curious or looking to deepen your understanding of maritime laws, this video is for you. Let's get started. Maritime regulations are a complex set of international laws and guidelines designed to ensure the safe, secure, and efficient movement of ships around the globe. They cover everything from the construction of ships to their operation, environmental considerations, and the safety of life at sea. Key organizations like the International Maritime Organization, IMO, play a pivotal role in the creation and enforcement of these rules. 1. Safety at sea. This includes rules for ship design, construction, equipment, operation, and manning standards to ensure the safety of the ship's crew, passengers, and cargo. 2. Environmental protection. Regulations aimed at preventing pollution of the marine environment from ships. This covers oil spills, waste management, and air emissions. 3. Navigation and shipping routes. Guidelines on how ships should navigate and the use of international shipping lanes to avoid collisions and ensure smooth sailing. 4. Legal matters and insurance. Covers issues related to maritime accidents, cargo claims, and insurance policies necessary for operating ships. Complying with maritime regulations is not just a legal obligation but also a moral and environmental one. Non-compliance can lead to severe penalties, including fines, ship detention, and even criminal charges against the ship's captain or company. Beyond legal ramifications, following these regulations ensures the protection of marine life, the safety of crew and passengers, and the preservation of our oceans for future generations. Understanding maritime regulations is crucial for anyone involved in or interested in maritime activities. These laws ensure that our oceans remain safe, clean, and navigable for all. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of maritime regulations and why they are essential for the global shipping industry and environmental protection. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay safe and informed, everyone.